shower knob trouble, and 3D print solutions on the double. Upon my afternoon shower, I discovered it lost some power. I found with a frown that the water would neither go up nor down. The knob was spinning around, making a cute little sound. Of course, I got it working again. But I can make it better. Oh, yes, I can. I already created a new design with multiple parts to make it shine. I like creatively redesigning some part. It certainly is a form of art. The copper rod that holds the knob out needs a sleeve to square it, without a doubt. And the generic solution will demand a lighter to heat up the PLA and make it fit tighter. And then, over the square rod, I will slip a design that anybody can mod. This will be a generic solution, and it will help millions with their ablution. The square will accept many knob styles and help people shower with smiles. I'm thinking about a lion's head, but may start with something abstract instead. Personally, I will use white plastic to 3D print mine, but that's not actually part of the design. It can be printed with metal like PLA filament, and that certainly is money well spent. Oh yes, my new design is sure to restore old showers and return them to their former powers. I like fixing things, giving old designs new wings. 3D modeling and printing is magical, especially when the result is practical. Perhaps my little poem can inspire you to learn Blender and get yourself an Ender.